Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Typeform survey. First, you will need to sign up or log into your Typeform account. Once inside, you can choose to start with a pre-designed template or build your survey from scratch. Typeform offers a wide range of question types, from simple multiple choice to more complex open-ended text fields, allowing you to gather exactly the information you need. This initial setup is quick and intuitive, getting you ready to design in just a few moments. Next, let's make your survey visually appealing and smart. Typeform allows extensive customization of its design, letting you choose from various themes, colors, and fonts to match your brand or personal style. You can also easily add engaging images or videos to make your questions more interactive and clear. A powerful feature is the ability to implement logic jumps, which personalizes the survey flow based on previous answers, creating a more relevant experience for each respondent. Now, let's explore some of Typeform's advanced capabilities. You can seamlessly integrate your survey with many popular tools, such as Google Sheets for data management or MailChimp for email marketing, streamlining your workflow. Setting up notifications ensures you receive real-time alerts as new responses come in, keeping you informed. Furthermore, you have the flexibility to configure specific response limits or schedule your survey to open and close at precise times, giving you full control. Finally, it's time to share your creation and understand the results. Typeform provides multiple easy ways to distribute your survey, including a direct link, embed code for your website, or sharing directly on social media platforms. Once live, you can monitor responses and track crucial metrics like completion rates within the intuitive analytics dashboard. For more in-depth insights, you can export all your collected data for further analysis and comprehensive reporting, helping you make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.